Welcome back to the channel. Today, got something new for the channel. A little unexpected, but we got a new toy for the channel. So I won this on a raffle on a Facebook page. So got this. This is the Element Enduro Trailwalker. Comes with 1.55 tires. I'm intending on this to be my new Class 1 rig. So I'm going to take you over to the bench. We're going to look at it, talk about a few things, and then we're going to take it out in the backyard course, and we're going to see how it performs. So I hope you stick around. All right, so here we go. Nice blue color. Got a nice scale look to it. Molded rear bumper. It's got wipers, door handles, nice front bumper. Has an opening there for like a winch, which would be perfect for a DSM integrated kit. As we can see there, non-portal axles, which is fine. So comes with this remote, pretty basic for your settings and everything. Looks like an extra battery tray. These are extra gears for the transmission. In particular, this has what they call the stealth technology transmission. So it comes stock with, I think it's like 9% or maybe it's 6% front overdrive, which is done through the transmission. You can use these gears and get like a 19% overdrive. And there's an optional kit for non-overdrive. So I'm very happy that it has factory overdrive. I'm going to leave it like it is for now, see how it does. See, it's got some sliders on it. A few extra things, some extra parts and stuff that comes in this bag. There's mirrors for the truck, your owner's manual, remote manual, sticker sheet, a bunch of different stickers. So I'm going to get the body off and show you what's underneath. I do want to show on the body, this one came with some LEDs for the front headlights and front grille there. So you have lights that will plug into the ESC, and they have a plug right here for it. So it's a Reedy ESC. Looks to be a fairly normal, reminds me of like a 1060 in a way. Has some drag brake. I think it's a 17 turn motor. I think it's supposed to be a waterproof receiver box. Your body post, typical suspension, does have metal links. The battery tray right here. It has I think this is a 1320 MG Reedy servo, which I think is like 180 ounces. I'm sure I will be swapping that out at some point. Probably for a 35 kg is probably what I'll go with. So fairly basic setup, but very nice at the same time. Has a rear bumper mount for a rear bumper. I believe there's a few options out there. I know I think Bauhaus has a different battery tray for it that I'm probably going to look into getting, that lower center gravity. So a very basic setup on the truck. And I'm ready to get it out on the backyard course. I want to get a battery in it, and I want to see how she does. I have not messed with this yet as far as driving it or anything. I only looked at it. So let's get a battery in it and let's go out and see how she does. All right, first drive. Thinking it won't be able to make this climb up, being on these 1.55 tires. First rollover. want it to flip over again. Okay. Uh-oh. Oh. Can we get back up this side? Very nice. Definitely hung up there on the... Oh. There. And there's our first test drive. So let's just see what speed's like. There she is. Alright, so there you have it. What do you think? I'm gonna be honest, I was actually impressed. 1.55 tire, to me the tire's probably a pretty good trail tire, but for like rock crawling and what we were doing back there, not that great of a tire. For being a straight axle, I was actually impressed that I could get up any part of my big climb, and definitely with a slightly different tire, I think I could do much better. I have a set of Hyrax 1.9 class 1 tires, so I will likely be putting them on that, at least for competition purposes. So probably the next run with it, I'm probably going to put those on there and see what kind of difference that makes. I'm sure there's going to be some rubbing on the body, as we already have that now, and I need to look into that. With 1.9s, I imagine it's going to be, possibly a little bit more, but I think those tires will help it a lot. Again, the rig, actually, it impressed me. I could see myself down the road, a 1080 ESC, a Holmes Hobby, probably Trail Master 21 turn is what I'm thinking, because I'll probably use this as a trail rig also. And definitely a 35 kg servo, probably sooner than later on that. But overall, I'm actually really impressed with it. I like it. I don't know Element. This is my first Element. So if you have one of these, know of any modifications, any suggestions, please reach out to me, comment down below, let me know. I would love to hear them, because I am looking to see what I can do to improve it, make it a better running rig. So I hope you like what you see today, guys. And if you do, please like, share, and subscribe. And until the next time.